Okay, so here I have my setup. This is my first ESP, and this is my second ESP32. So one is going to be publishing to the cloud, which I have here as I have chosen the Amazon cloud. And here I have, this one will be subscribing, and this one would be publishing. So this one will be publishing the light sensor and the temperature sensor here. So I am currently using a TEMT 6000 light sensor and an LM35 sensor here connected to this ESP32. And as you can see here on my code, I am currently receiving the temperature and light sensor values, and my code here is connected to my Wi-Fi and also the Amazon cloud. So the Amazon cloud, it has a protocol of MQTT, so I am currently have my ESP32 publishing to the cloud through MQTT protocols. So as you can see here, I am setting my values, my light values and my temperature values, and putting it inside a string which I am sending through MQTT. And here it is telling us whether it has sent to the cloud. So if we look at this over here, so I have this running, and it's receiving the values that the Arduino is reading, that the ESP32 is reading in real time. And this is the Amazon cloud. And then what was supposed to happen is that I was supposed to have this ESP32 subscribe to the cloud. However, I was not able to get it to work, but I can show you guys that I have the second ESP doing what it would have done if it worked correctly. So let me run it. So the values from the cloud would have been but the ESP32 would have subscribed to the cloud, receiving the values that the first ESP is reading, such as the temperature and the light sensor. So based off the light sensor, it would have an if statement determining whether it would open or close the smart blinds. So if I run this, what it's going to do, it's just going to run the motor from 0 to 90 degrees. Since it's not subscribing and receiving the data such as the temperature values and light sensors, it cannot determine whether to turn 0 to 90. So I just wanted to demonstrate that I actually have the second ESP actually working. If we wait it's currently uploading, and you're going to see this ESP run this servo motor from 0 to 90 degrees. So if it were working correctly, if the light reading was over 500, it would close it, it would open it, and if it was less, then it would close it, meaning the blinds would move accordingly to the servo. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to connect it, so they're not talking to each other, but I do have the first ESP displaying the temperature and light sensor to the cloud. Apart from having the necessary requirements, as in the ESP, the two ESPs, the cloud service, and the MQTT protocol. However, I only have the publishing side of the MQTT protocol, not the subscribing part. But I did try, and I will leave the attempted code commented out in my Arduino folder. I also have this connected to the Blink app. Unfortunately, because I'm currently using my phone, I cannot record it. If you watch my other video, I can show you that demonstration with the Blink app.